Are you looking to invest in trading but find yourself unsure of where to begin? It can feel like a daunting task to break into the world of stocks, especially when there's a plethora of options to choose from. But worry not. Today, we're going to talk about 5 big stocks that have shown promise and might just be the perfect starting point for your investment journey. Firstly, there's Microsoft. A tech giant that needs no introduction, Microsoft has been a steady performer in the stock market for years. The company's expansive portfolio, ranging from software to hardware, cloud services to gaming, provides a diversified revenue stream that helps it maintain stability. Moreover, Microsoft's strong commitment to innovation keeps it relevant and competitive in the rapidly evolving tech industry. Next up is Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Alphabet's dominance in the digital advertising space, coupled with Google's ubiquitous presence in our daily lives, makes it a strong contender in the stock market. Its ventures into cloud computing, autonomous vehicles, and artificial intelligence further enhance its growth potential. Third on our list is Amazon. The e-commerce behemoth has seen exponential growth over the past decade, and it shows no signs of slowing down. With its foray into diverse sectors such as cloud computing, digital streaming, and even grocery delivery, Amazon is continually expanding its market presence. Fourth, we have Visa. As one of the leading global payment technology companies, Visa has a vast network that spans over 200 countries. Its robust business model, which profits from both the issuing and receiving ends of a transaction, makes it a profitable and reliable stock. Finally, we have Johnson & Johnson. As a leading multinational in the healthcare sector, Johnson & Johnson offers a wide range of products in pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer goods. Its diversified portfolio provides a steady revenue stream, making it a safe bet for investors. In summary, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Visa, and Johnson & Johnson are 5 big stocks worth considering for investment. They all have diverse revenue streams, robust business models, and a strong market presence. Their commitment to innovation and expansion ensures their relevance and competitiveness in the future. Investing in these stocks could potentially offer stability and promising returns. Remember, every investment comes with its own set of risks. It's essential to do thorough research and consider your financial situation before making any investment decisions. And with that, you're one step closer to embarking on your investment journey. Now go forth and conquer the world of trading.